It's ready. That's it. I am using clay pot to cook these stir fries. So one of the things you have to be very careful to not to overcook. You have to leave it half done and cover it up, and it's gonna do the rest. One of the fun things about gardening, you get to grow different types of vegetables that you normally don't see in the store, like these purple peas. So I am going to show you how I make our quick stir fries. All right, so I am about to make some uh, some little quick stir fry here. So I have some mushrooms, some pepper, some garlic. I'm gonna put that in here first. This is a little quick stir fry vegetable that I like to make for my people. So we just let that cook for a minute. I have my seasoning here. These are blends that I make myself. So I have some mushroom seasoning right there and some pepper seasoning. The mushroom seasoning have a little bit of sea salt, and the pepper seasoning don't have the salt free. And then the red one here is, I think it's called Alipibo peppers. So I'm just gonna put that in there. I am making a mess. And very quick, very simple. I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook for a few minutes. It'll be about 4 minutes, and then I will come back and just add the rest of my stuff. If they need a little bit more seasoning, I'll put the rest of the seasoning on there. That's it. What I have in here, I have some red rosemary, some oregano, some basils cut up in there, some thyme, peppers, and I got the beans and stuff for my garden. So that's it. Simple. Okay, so this is starting to look good. I just had some few tomatoes in the freezer. I just grabbed some out of the bag from last year harvest and put it in there. We're trying to stretch our little bag of tomato that's left until we're ready, until the other ones are ready. So just put the rest of this in here. Stir it up. Look like it's gonna need a little bit more seasoning. I'm not sure. You'll see. See? Nice and colorful. So my family don't like their beans to cook. That's why when I'm cooking, I always add it in there last. So we can have the crunchiness to it. Look at that. Yummy. It's ready. So for us, it's ready now. I'm gonna turn the stove off, but it's up to you how long you want to cook it. I only cook ours for a few minutes. Still got some crunchiness to it. Yeah. That's it. It is ready. Move it.